We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to analyze the chart. We're following the HITBTC. As we know, for the Doge, this HITBTC, the price almost much more lower than other exchanges. Okay. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. As we can see, almost the price at the low. I mean, the lowest we get the lowest price of this move. All right. That's why for sure, if we get any trade for buy, this is what we are more interested. Okay. And even if we refer to the, I mean, based on daily chart, as we can see, the price almost broke the previous low, and we could look for the divergence. Okay, technically, any reversal can give us really good trade setup, but we cannot confirm with that because sometimes we feel the hit BTC, as we know, is not following the rest of the other exchanges, and we are not sure whatever we get here is a real or not. Anyway, we move to daily chart, forward chart, and even based on forward chart, the price broke the previous low, and we see we have a divergence. Technically, when we see this kind of the movement, even daily and forward chart, then any reversal can give us a really good trade setup. That's mean if we get any trade setup for buy, and even based on 1 hour chart, mostly we can look for divergence. All right, that's mean if we get any trade setup for buy, it is a really good idea. Having entry, okay, if we wants to look for buy, either we look for the sharp move flag we take or correction we take the trade, or having entry above this can be an option, which is around 0.105. In case the price sharply reverse, we can get the trade, but we should know what we want. We want the price sharply break and continue with the price tag, which is not moving within the first or maximum second hours we take of the trade. Again, this is the way we can look if we follow the technical analysis. But right now, about the hit BTC, I cannot confirm whether it can follow or not, because sometimes we feel the way it's moving is right, it's not the real. Okay, so whether the transaction is very low, I mean, the number of the volume is very low, we call it like this, or they just manipulate. Anyway, we just follow the chart. For me, if I want to trade, for sure, if I get any trade setup for buy, this is what I'm looking for, and having entry above this can be an option, because as I'm showing you, based on daily, forward, and 1 hour chart, we have a divergence. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.